Afternoon YouTube, hope you're doing well today. That space behind me is where the car has sat for nearly 2 months. The fact that it's not there anymore gotta mean we're finished. I am relieved and really looking forward to the summer. Right, here we are, passenger rear, ready to set up the handbrake. Now, if I can show you, this is if you set one of your wheel studs to 3 o'clock. That was fun, wasn't it? I don't believe I just did that. Frankly, even I'm amazed at what I've achieved. Just wanted to say a couple of shout outs really for a few people that have been my inspiration throughout this last sort of like 6 months. Firstly, I've got to say a big hi and a thanks for inspiring me to James from Auto Amateur. If you haven't watched his channel, he's got some amazing stuff on there. He's very professional and for a Scouser, he's pretty good. So he's worth checking out. And also Andy B, who I've been in touch with recently, he had a similar problem with his studs on his manifolds, and he actually bought the Stormski Racing jig from me, and I believe he broke all 12 studs, which baffles me. But nevertheless, he's completed the job, I've heard yesterday. So well done to you, and who knows, one day we might meet up. But anyway, thanks a lot. And also Design 911, very helpful, but sometimes misleading. And also, of course, Quick Jacks, who have given me absolutely nothing, but without those Quick Jacks, I really couldn't have done them. So cheers for that, and thank you all for watching and subscribing, and look forward to catching up with you again really soon. Cheers. Happy summertime.